Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today I'll be doing readings for relationship or especially for the day of a Valentine. So you can say this is just a reading for the day for Valentine. So how will your 14th of February of 2021 will be? So let's start with the reading, but before that I would request you to please go ahead and like my video and subscribe to my channel, so it can encourage me to have more readings for you and give you some good videos ahead. So let's go ahead and start with the tarot. I'll be using our Rider-Waite tarot cards only for the reading. So we'll go ahead and start with sign Aries. I'm going to be very quick with this reading because it's just a one-day reading and it's just specially for the Valentine's Day that I'm doing. So we'll go ahead and pick up 3 cards and we'll be just briefing on the relationships of that particular sign. So I'm going to go ahead and put 3 cards for Aries. Let's see what the cards come out for the sign Aries. For the people Aries, I got a Lover's card and I do see the day is going to be very good. The Valentine Day, the 14th Feb, is going to be really good for you. Whatever you're expecting from your girlfriend or your whoever you are in a relationship will be wonderful. There is travel indicated. Maybe you both will go to travel somewhere or places that will make you feel, both of you feel better. Overall, the cards for Aries people is really good. If you are alone or if you have no one, especially on the Valentine's Day, there are chances for people who are Aries to find someone or meet someone on the 14th of Feb. I always think it's not necessary to have someone to love you. You have to love yourself first. So don't be like, okay, I don't have a girlfriend or I don't have anyone to celebrate Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is something about love, loving your parents, loving your siblings, not just being with a girlfriend or being with in a relationship with, so love is something, it is vast. So, and I believe that first you have to love yourself to love others. So let's go ahead with another sign, that is after Aries comes Taurus. 3 cards for Taurus here. For Taurus, the cards are also good. They are not bad, but there is a situation like 14th of February will be a little stressful for you. What you can say is there would be some kind of burden, some kind of work on that special day. It's not that you'll be able to enjoy totally, but yes, where your relationship are concerned, I don't see any problems. The close ones, the loved ones will be with you on the 14th of February, and the day is going to be fantastic for the people who are Taurians. Gemini, I'll be quick with Gemini too. Like I told you, love yourself first. You need to be strong enough. You need to be emotionally fine to help others. So love yourself first. People who are Gemini, let's see their cards quickly. Very good. I got a very good card for the people whose sign is Gemini. Relationship is going to be very good in 14th of February. There is a Valentine's Day. There will be a celebration. Maybe there are things the people who are in Gemini may take you can say a forward step towards their relationship. If they are into a relationship that is not committed, then they will have a relationship that will get committed on 14th of February. If there's no one in your life whom you can call a girlfriend or that kind of a relationship, then there is someone who would be coming so that you can celebrate the Valentine's Day with them. So relationship wise, for Gemini people, the cards are good for 14th of February. Cancer, for the people, the Cancerians. Let's take the cards. Very quickly, 3 cards. For the Cancerious people, I do see a very okay day for 14th of February. The reason is because there is a lot of issues and there are a lot of arguments going on with your life that will not let you enjoy the day of 14th of February. There is something like a ego clash between two people. The Cancerians will face a lot of arguments, face a lot of difficulties for that day. So I would tell that for the Cancerians, the day is going to be very okay. Not great day for 14th of February. Leo, now we'll do Leo very quickly. For the Leo people, the card is good. The celebration is family. It's going to be wonderful. But you do have to be careful of people whom you are in the relationship. Especially if you think about the 14th of February, the Valentine's Day, it's going to be an okay card, but you have to be very careful about having a fight or maybe having an argument on that, because you don't want to make that day, the 14th of February, that is a lovely day, spoiled. So basically, just be control your anger, control your ego, control your thoughts, the negative thoughts that come to you on that day, and the day would be wonderful for you. It's not bad cards that have come, but yes, if you keep your ego and anger under control, the day is going to be wonderful for you. Now we go ahead and do Virgo. Let's see what Virgo. Remain one more card for Virgo. For the people of Virgo, yes, there would be, if you are a single or something, I do see someone coming in your life. So there, it's not like you will be alone on 14th of February. That is a Valentine's Day. There will be someone to celebrate. You can celebrate it with. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be a lovely day for you guys. So, but yes, like you shouldn't keep more of that expectations. Just enjoy that day of 14th February and just leave it up to the universe to decide on. Now we'll go ahead and do the Libra. So for the Librans, the day is going to be very, very okay, because there are a lot of thoughts and thinking that you have been thinking about for so many days that is not manifesting. Actually, the day is going to be a balance, so you'll have to balance your emotions as well as your work, you can say. That day with someone, you are going to cause someone or hurt someone if you don't consider that day or give them a special treatment on that day. Basically, overall, if you see, the Librans has to work hard on that day to make your relationship better, then that day will be wonderful for you. Scorpio. People, for the Scorpio people, the day is going to be wonderful. The 14th February of 2021, the Valentine's Day is going to be perfectly good for you. If you are single and if you're looking for someone, or if you have not sure about your relationship, this is the day where your relationship you will come your way. A new relationship I see coming your way. You are going to spend a good day. 14th of February with your loved ones. The only thing is you'll have to balance a little where your work is concerned and your relationship issues are concerned, or that one day very specifically be very careful about the negative thoughts coming on that day, or something that can cause a fight or arguments between loved ones. Now we'll go ahead and do Sagittarius. Sagittarius for the Valentine, that is 14th Feb. For Sagittarius people, I see wonderful card. You're going to celebrate that day with full of love and happiness around you. There's a sun card, so a very bright card, a very bright day ahead for you for the 14th of February, and the cards are fantastic, so I don't see any problems in that day. In fact, that day, the day is going to be great for the people who are Sagittarius. They might meet new people, they might enjoy their loved ones' company, they might have a good relationship with anyone, with their siblings or their family or anyone. The husband and wife will have a good day together on that day, and it's going to be a wonderful day for Sagittarius. Now we'll go ahead and do Capricorn. For the people, the Capricorn people, you just have to be a little careful on that day. It's not that your day is going to be bad. It's going to be a normal day for you, not too much excitement on that day. Relationship issues may, whatever you're expecting to come on that day might not be what you'll be getting. But it's going to be a very normal day for the people who are Capricorn. I don't see any excitement coming. It will be a normal day for you guys for the 14th of February. Aquarius. For the Aquarius people, the day of 14th February is going to be good. It's a lover's card, so the day is going to be with people around you, your family, your loved ones will be with you on that day, and it's going to be a good day for you. But there are chances that you will have some kind of work issues, or you might get busy with work on that day, so you cannot enjoy the day as you want to enjoy. There is going to be a lot of expectations from your side, but it's going to be a wonderful day. Whatever you expected you might not be getting on that day, but the day is not going to be bad. You are going to be happy with your loved ones on 14th of February. Now we'll go ahead and do Pisces. Go ahead and do Pisces. Pull 3 cards for Pisces for the loved ones and the lovely day of Valentine. This is one extra card I pulled, so I can just put this aside. Oh wow, it's a lover's card. For the people, the Pisces people, the day is going to be good, but you can say there is chances of having new relationship, someone coming your way. The relation, going further into a relationship on that day. You might get news what you might not have expected. Of course, the good news, something regarding love, relationship, or something. Financially on that day, you'll be little stressed. Otherwise, health wise, just be careful on that day. Otherwise, if you're just seeing the relationship, I don't see any problems with your relationship for the 14th of February. In fact, I see your relationship moving ahead, and it's going to be a good day for you. You will enjoy your day, and it's going to be a very, very lovely day for you. So that's all, a quick reading for the day of 14th February. That's a Valentine's Day. So this basic cards have been just for that day and just for love and relationship, a brief reading, you can say. So we'll end this session here, and do like and subscribe my channel. We are on Facebook as well as on Insta. Do go ahead and like my page there too. We will come with more videos ahead for the week readings, month's reading. But till then, stay safe and be happy. Also want to tell you that it's not necessary to have balloons, have hearts, have roses on Valentine's Day. It's always if someone cares for you from within, that's what is the important thing. And if you feel like you feel better by giving gifts or giving roses or presents, then why don't you give it to yourself? Buy some good roses for yourself, buy one good gift for yourself. Loving yourself is important and the most important thing. So first, go ahead and love yourself. If you don't have anyone you feel who loves you, or if you're not in a relationship, this day usually brings a lot of sadness to people who are expecting something in the relationship. So you don't have to wait for anyone to make you feel loved. You can love yourself. You can go buy gifts, like I told you, roses, and make it a special day for yourself. Go out to have a coffee, enjoy your day. The days will go better, will become better as the days go by. It's not going to remain the same. So enjoy your Valentine, and have a wonderful 14th of February, all of you. Take care and love you all. Bye bye.